Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you what we believe is the best froth milk experience on the market. Meet the Kourice 4-in-1 electric milk frother and steamer, your new go-to kitchen companion for café-style drinks at home. Let's start by taking a look at the build. The Kourice Frother comes in a sleek black stainless steel body that not only looks elegant but is also durable and easy to clean. With dimensions of 6.06 inches wide and 8.31 inches tall, it fits perfectly in any kitchen setup without taking up much space. Now let's talk about functionality. This frother offers a true 4-in-1 experience. You can make hot dense foam, hot airy foam, cold froth, or simply heat milk without frothing. Whether you're craving a silky cappuccino, a light and frothy latte, or even a comforting cup of hot chocolate, it's all possible at the touch of a button. Using it is incredibly simple. There's just one button to control everything. One-touch operation means no fumbling through settings, just choose your mode and let it go to work. And what's even better? It does all this with minimal noise, so your peaceful morning routine stays uninterrupted. Inside, advanced high-speed whisking technology spins up creamy, ultrafine foam. The texture is smooth, rich, and consistent every time. Perfect if you want your coffee looking and tasting like it came straight from a barista's hand. The capacity is smartly designed too. It can froth between 75 to 150 milliliters of milk and can heat up to 300 milliliters for a larger hot drink. Just make sure to follow the fill lines to avoid overflows, especially when frothing. Safety is also a major win here. The frother includes built-in temperature control and an automatic shut-off system. That means no burnt milk, no over-frothing, and no worrying about whether you remembered to turn it off. Cleaning is just as straightforward. The interior is non-stick stainless steel, so all you need is a quick rinse under water and a soft cloth wipe. Just be careful not to get the base or outer casing wet. Here's a quick tip for the best results. Use milk with around 3.5% fat content. Whole milk works best for achieving that rich foam texture. Keep in mind, it's not ideal for plant-based options like almond, oat, or soy milk. This one's designed with dairy in mind. So if you're someone who loves starting the day with a luxurious latte, or winding down with a smooth macchiato, the Kourice Milk Frother delivers the barista quality finish, without the coffee shop price tag. To sum it up, the Kourice 4-in-1 electric milk frother and steamer is efficient, elegant, easy to use, and most importantly, it delivers the best froth milk experience in its class. From the creamy texture to the quiet, one-touch operation, this is a must-have for any home coffee setup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest and in-depth reviews just like this. See you in the next one.